welcome back. Today we're gonna do a special video, bro. Shout out to my nigga Javion. Bro, take these glasses off, bro. You always talking about eye contact. Shout out to J though. He got us a mystery box. We got a couple items. We got some turkey Doritos. Alright, I don't wanna. Natalie gonna feed us this, right? No, she gonna give it to us, but we're gonna close our eyes eating it.
Oh, it really is a mystery. You don't even know what you pulling out.
Just give us one. I'm keeping my eyes damn open, bro.
Bro, this nigga. Dang, what is he doing?
This kid's so calm.
Javion the type of nigga to be like, this shit tastes like ass. Because you always talk about eating it, bro. What you mean?
It's on the paper, y'all over your eyes.
What the fuck?
What is? Y'all would leave me this with the black shit on it.
It's just,
I can smell it, bro.
it's alright.
Is this gravy?
That shit smell like gravy. I ain't gonna rap art.
Bro, it tastes like a Thanksgiving meal.
It tastes like chili.
No, it tastes
Nah, I
like,
ain't fucking with that.
it tastes like a Thanksgiving meal and a chip. What is this?
Yes.
Oh, this kimchi.
Show the camera.
Yeah, put it in the camera. Put it in the hold it up to the camera. I don't know what the hell that is.
It's kimchi.
Bro, let me see that bag, bro.
Folks,
I don't like that.
Bro, that tastes like
I can't get
a
focused,
meal
but yeah,
in
it's
one.
Korean kimchi.
Bag it up. We just posted it out here. I ain't fucking with it. I don't like that.
Bro, no.
Know this? Nah, bro. Next. Hey, catch them with you. They got to take nigga, take them home and eat them when we on the game.
Just leave them all right here in the bread.
Alright, there's some great shit right
Yeah.
I think strawberry cheesecake Oreo.
He always want to eat. When it comes to snacks, this nigga have to have strawberry something in it. You drink strawberry milk?
Yes, that shit is good.
That shit
This is
Strawberry.
good. I eat drink it on
Strawberry shakes, all that shit. You can't drink strawberry milk.
You need your ass, G. Oh, she comes.
No, we don't even know what it is.
Right, we don't know what it is, so we.
No, you can't. You gotta come back outside.
Nah, they can see me. What are you talking about? Just shut up.
Alright. What is that? Nigga, just sour
Mystery Sour Patch?
Oh, nigga, I got one. I ain't gonna lie.
Them good.
I got me.
It's record.
Yeah, I've had this shit before.
Get crushed.
I was gonna say it had a little crust mixed to it. I thought it was gonna be me. I like them.
Yeah.
That's pretty great, baby.
I need a pineapple
Oh
crumb.
God. That's what I was looking for.
I think I just ate pineapple actually.
You had a green one, right?
No, I had a yellow one. I just ate pineapple.
Alright, bring it to
Alright, I got an option. One or two.
What do you mean?
Two.
Yeah, two the best number.
Y'all want number two?
Yeah.
Hey man, shout out BUSSINSNACKS though, bro. So far I ain't rating them chips. Them chips 1 out of 10 for me. But the Sour Patch Kids, that's a 10 out of 10.
Them Sour Patch 10 out of 10.
Go get your exotic snacks,
Them
bro.
chips,
Shout out BUSSINSNACKS.
that's a good 3 out of 10.
Hell no, them chips is a 1. Fuck the wood, that shit tastes like gravy.
Nigga, no, it tastes like a Thanksgiving meal mixed up together.
Alright,
Nice
look,
kimchi, cabbage.
Oh, she said close her eyes. She said close her eyes.
Don't be on that peeking shit, I'm not playing. I heard this bitch.
Monetized.
Alright, I'll be back.
I told y'all he was gonna be the nigga to eat them chips.
Oh shit.
Oh, I know what this is.
Is that Fanta? I'm already knowing.
Wait, what, y'all shit the same?
Yeah, it's on.
This shit smells
liquor.
man! Jerry, I wrote the fuck?
Fuck no. Fuck no. Get that shit out my face, bro. That shit is.
This shit tastes like cream soda.
No, it's not cream soda.
It's 0 sugar.
Bro, you can get
Nigga, is you serious?
That's not the flavor.
Nigga, we don't know the flavor. That shit gross.
That shit gross. I ain't fucking with
That shit. Nah, bro.
I don't like it. I'm
Wait,
just
let me
saying,
see
I
how
don't
close this another drink.
This bitch even
It's another drink. What?
Nigga,
It's
it's another drink.
mystery box.
It's another drink.
Your mystery box come with a drink.
Look at the fact that they gave us. Oh God, I need some more. Sorry. What happened?
She took some of the Sour Patches.
Oh, that's good.
Look at you, girl.
Oh, God. I might just have to just. Nigga, you whoop on my cup. This look like piss.
Man, this shit look like seaweed.
Hold on.
Alright, it smells familiar.
Hold on.
Bro, it's like
This shit smell like.
pomegranate.
No. Like
passion
lemonade.
fruit.
Y'all not even gonna know what this is.
What the fuck?
Why it come out like that?
It's better than that one.
This better than that.
It's that citron frappe.
Citron fat pay.
Nigga, that's a frappe.
What the fuck?
What?
It's nasty.
It ain't bad.
It's not bad. It's just not a drink.
It tastes like some old school, like some lemonade, like you know the lemonade that be in the can and shit. That got the wood on it.
Bro.
You know what I'm talking
I
about?
mean, it's lemon flavor, so.
Nigga, this tastes like Minute Maid with figs.
Hell no.
What?
What you mean? What you mean?
Yeah, put that motherfucker on the napkin.
I did it on the Fanta. I'm gonna get this a little 6 or 7.
No, that's an 8. That shit good. I ain't gonna.
It's good, but like
You gotta get used to it. If it probably been cold.
Nigga, it tastes like Minute Maid made
if
to
it
a
was cold.
Sprite.
Y'all
I
want the
agree.
good stuff first or y'all want the bad?
bad.
Just give it
The bag?
It
random.
don't matter. It don't matter.
Bad.
Piece of Pringles, all that shit. You like that shit too, look at
Don't.
This should be yak though. Ah, hell no!
Oh, I know what this
Is
is.
this shit?
Bro, chill. This nigga quick.
I'm getting
Bro, this
You are-
it smell like beef jerky, bro.
Hold on.
This smell like beef
No.
jerky.
It do smell like beef jerky. Your shit fudge.
This dog food? This dog food! Man!
Hell no.
This dog food!
Hell no.
Get out here, nigga.
Hell no.
Jalapeno bacon strip.
I would never. Hell no. Hey, back. No. Nigga, no.
2 out of 10.
Nigga, 2? Nigga, 0 out of 10. If
Bro.
anything, hell.
Jalapeno bacon strip, bro.
Dog food. I knew
This
something.
is-
I
this
can
is
taste
meant
the
for
dog,
dogs,
Like, you know the smell of dogs when they be outside and shit? That's the taste.
Nigga, this shit look like a turd.
It's
God.
actually getting spicy, bro.
Oh God, I thought it was me. This shit look
I
tingling.
need
It's
some.
tingling in my.
It look.
What is
It's
it?
an Oreo.
It is Oreo.
Is it like birthday cake?
Oh. We got a thin Oreo, I'm assuming.
Tastes like a normal Oreo.
Do it.
Yeah. What kind of Oreo is this?
Oh yeah, it's got like vanilla to it.
What is this?
Vanilla, vanilla.
It's say, yeah, this got a vanilla. I'm fucking with these.
I
Hey.
don't know none of this shit is saying. It's all in Japanese.
That's vanilla. It's vanilla.
It's vanilla, nigga.
No, but this tastes like a normal.
Hey, I got some dogs. I'm gonna get them that jalapeno shit.
Hey, he might fuck that
Hey,
shit.
I like this one though. I ain't like how it just fold though. Like my shit just crumbled.
That's a den though. That's right. That's a good 9 out of 10.
I get this a 9 out of 10. This might be the. I mean, I put this second best.
Hey,
first
first
best
is
is
them Sour
yeah,
Patch.
Sour Patch Kids is first, but I like this vanilla. This is yours. I recommend.
That-
If y'all order this, I order that.
Huh?
That's
Oh
it.
God.
Alright.
Alright, here.
Oh,
This shit look
good.
good.
This is a piece of a Kitkat.
This is dough.
Yeah, I'm about to say this shit look like Dove.
That's
It's Dove,
yeah.
chocolate.
Mm-mm.
Oh, it's Japanese.
Mm-mm. This shit tastes like soap.
Wait.
Is them noodles?
Nah, nigga, this shit tastes like something.
Nah, this shit tastes like hand soap.
Tastes like Dawn. This tastes like Dawn too. Hell no, bro.
Bro. Fuck, let me see
I
the
can't eat noodles.
Bro. Nigga, that look like
Nigga, that
beef
nigga-
stew.
Nigga, that look like cat food if any damn thing.
That shit gross. That shit go right there. Nigga. 0 out of 10.
I get
That shit worse than that beef jerky dog treat.
Nah. Okay, then, man.
It's alright.
Hold on, let me get another.
Oh shit, them chips. She crunchy.
Oh, them ruffles. Y'all be at 2K on the Ruffles event?
Just straight.
That shit burnt. What the fuck?
This is like beef with ramen noodles.
Bro, this tastes like
It
noodles.
tastes familiar.
What's these?
Fried chicken.
New York fried.
New York fried chicken.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
You said on the rock. You see fried chicken? Yeah.
Hot y'all.
Hi, yeah. You showed him that?
Great.
Yeah.
Wait. Why is it Lay's if this shit is the Ruffles chip?
Nigga, the wave.
Nigga, they say Lay's though.
The waves.
Yeah. Hang me one more. I want one.
Only at 7-Eleven.
Oh, they said that shit on the sign.
We don't even got it.
Chicken breast.
Oh, rotisserie chicken. I get it. What's that right there?
I got one some hot Cheetos.
You haven't had it. Hey, them look good 8 out of 10.
I say 8 or 7.5.
Besides these, we haven't had a real solid 10 out of
These
10.
girls,
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep eating those though.
Yeah.
It looks
the same thing.
It looked like the same thing, but it's not.
You saw?
Yeah, it looked like the other one that they had.
This smells sweet.
Let me see. Yeah, this shit got a little sweet
Bro, it
vanilla.
smell like
It smells like sweet vanilla. It got a crunch to it. It smells like pineapple. Lemon.
Yeah.
smell like them
That shit good. This shit tastes like
Yeah,
lemon cake.
lemon cake.
Low-
Lemon
That
cake.
lemon 7-Up cake. 7-Up
Yeah,
cake.
7-Up cake, yeah.
That's what it tastes like. I get it. Hey, I get it.
It's
Hey.
like a 7.
Yeah,
I don't really like
6,
lemon.
7.
The only reason because I don't really like
I fuck with lemon, so I'm gonna give it an 8. 7 I give it an 8. One.
Yeah.
Bet.
Don't piss me off.
Alright.
Here.
Ooh, is this an edible? What the?
They giving us edibles?
That's good.
Like Krispy Treat, Fruity Pebble.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Look at that.
Nigga, these is at Meyer. This shit not exotic.
No, the thing is, they don't sell them no more. You don't ever see them no more. I was gonna say,
I'm not saying, where these at?
you don't see them the last time.
What's those?
These Oreos.
Oh,
Hey, I ain't gonna lie.
they split up.
I like these shit.
Bro, this shit stuck in my throat.
That shit was a 7.
Oh, the Rice
Hey,
Krispies.
Sour Patches and Oreos win for sure.
I say these my, I ain't gonna lie. Them chips, bro. Save me some, cuz. I ain't gonna lie. I think that, y'all, pick out your top 3.
Oreos, Sour Patches, and then Barbie, chicken breast chips. Well, I'm just fine. Bro, that one's up there too.
That lemon, yeah. I think my top 3 is the same thing.
That's 4.
My top 3 got to be the Crush, the Oreo,
This
and the fried chicken flavor Lay's. Them my 3, and then at least 4th I gotta put the that lemon chocolate. But I don't
That
know.
drink was good though.
Yeah, the drink. I'd say the drink was
That's
straight.
That's just like a homemade drink. You bored as hell in the house mixing up Minute Maid and Sprite and shit.
Yeah.
This ain't it. Oh God, you still got some of this?
No.
But that's it. I think this was a W video, to be honest. If y'all want us to see us do some more exotic snacks, I need this to get to like 200, 250. If we get this like 250 views, I'll do some more. But other than that, this, I'm pretty sure y'all know who that is. But any other than that though, bro, why he grabbed the can like I get this a W video all around. This is the best shit ever.
It's nasty?
Hell yeah. Look at the camera.
Oh, yeah, there's that. That's nasty.
Nigga, go get your own pack of Oreo?
No,
That nigga struggling.
they only gave us this little.
Watch out.
There's too much air.
He can't get it open.
Look at it, bro.
Oh my god.
Alright though, bro. We out. Get this to 250. We'll do some more mystery boxes, bro. We out. Y'all say we out, bro.
We out.
Who got the chips?
Bitch is good.
I can't even cap.
Dude,